Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by prepping and building the flavor base. Chop cauliflower into bite-sized florets so they cook evenly. Heat 1 tablespoon oil over medium. Add 1 tsp cumin seeds to bloom their aroma, then sauté diced onion until translucent. This creates sweetness and body. Once onion softens, add 3 cloves minced garlic and 1 tsp turmeric to color and earthy depth. Stir briefly so spices toast, but do not burn. This step locks flavor into the dish before liquids go in. You now build the curry by layering spices and tomatoes. Add 1 tsp ground coriander, 1 tsp garam masala, and 1/2 tsp chili powder so the sauce gains complexity. Stir in 1 cup crushed tomato. This provides acidity to balance richness, and simmer 5 to 7 minutes so the raw tomato taste mellows. Once done, fold in the cauliflower, coat thoroughly so each floret absorbs spice. Then pour 3/4. You finish the curry by simmering about 10 to 12 minutes. Check tenderness with a fork. Cauliflower should be soft but hold shape. Once done, stir in 2 tablespoons chopped cilantro and 1 tsp lemon juice to brighten flavors. Make sure to taste and adjust salt. If the sauce is too thin, uncover and boil briefly to reduce. If flavors are flat, add salt or a pinch of sugar to balance acidity. Serve hot with rice or flatbread and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.